blinking, just a solid green light making its way across the sky.
There it is. I see it. Now I got it. Ooh. I'm in the wrong spot for it because my arm.
You want to trade spots?
That's alright. I got it now. Got it. Just make sure I don't fall over, babe. Look what I got on camera, babe. Look at this. Look at this thing. You see it? Do you see it on my screen?
I see you got it on the camera, but I don't.
It looks like something's like it's trailing through the sky. It's crazy looking. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit and try and anchor it to something else. Where are we? There it is in the trees. No blinking, no nothing. What is that? Huh. I'll just stay on it. And I can see it moving. Now we're changing directions. Now it's going down. Now it's going down. Like it's going headed to the water. You see that? It's like it's gonna disappear into the tree back there. You see it, babe?
The thing I pointed out to you?
Yeah.
I see it.
Now it's going down like where the water is. It's as zoomed in as I can get it. And it's headed towards water. I mean, that's where the beach is. Now it's in the trees. And there's something else flying around.